be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now these restocked, I want to say 2 weeks ago, almost a week and a half ago, and as soon as I saw these were restocking, I had to make sure that I was on the, you'll be able to tell as soon as you see the tape. Boom, you see that tape, you know where these are from. I was on the Nike app, not sneakers, the Nike app these were on, and I said I gotta go for these. I got to go for these. This pair of shoes represents a player who was the only reason that I ever watched a certain sport, so I gotta go for these. And before this year, I only had one pair of his shoes. Now this one makes number 3. So let's go ahead and get into these. Got my trusty shank here with me. You know, I got this shank when I worked at Walmart back in 2004. That's how long I've had this thing, man. 2004. Man, I was a young 19-year-old back then. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. Yes, sir. Nike box, as you can see. Yes, sir. And let's get that to the side. Regular Nike box, orange Nike box. Alright. Now these are the Air Griffey Max 1. Man, I've always wanted this colorway, man. Colorway is black multicolor freshwater. Man, I've been wanting this colorway for years, man. I've been wanting this pair for years. Size 14 on these bad boys here. Man, finally got them. I finally got them pair. And you know what's great about it is that I got them for retail. I didn't have to go back for resale and do anything crazy. I got them for retail. Man, I might have even got them for under retail. I think I got them for under retail. That makes it even better. So let's go ahead and get into these. I haven't looked at them yet. I didn't cheat this time. There it is. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. And I finally got them by the boys. Woo, woo. I need me a Mariners jersey now. Left. Shoe. First base. Woo. Oh, man. And I've been wanting a pair of these for a long time, man. The Ken Griffey Jr., the freshwater pair of the Griffey Max. Oh, man. Get the 2.4 on the side. I know this isn't a new pair of shoes or anything, and these have been out in retroed a few different times, but this is my first time ever having this pair of shoes, man. Dang. I'm glad that I was finally able to get these in, man. These are beautiful. These are beautiful. Yes, they are big and bulky, but that's the way the shoes were back in the 90s, man. Just like the up-tempos that I have here. These are big and bulky shoes, but I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all with these. Finally got these freshwaters, man. I've tried every time that they've released these freshwater boys, and I failed every single time. You got your 2-4 there. Of course, these are the Seattle Mariners colors. You got a hit of the red there on the back, hit of the red, and on the tongue, on the swoosh there. Got a little bit of that red. But you see that Nike going across there. Man. Let's undo it. Finally got this colorway of the Griffeys. The Sweetest Swing pair is a nice pair, but man, this Freshwater, these are the ones that I wanted all the way. Look at the bottom. Of course, you got that baseball there going into the teal kind of color there. And then you got your red upside down. You got your red swoosh going. That's a better look. You see that baseball there now. Black on the bottom. Some of that teal and white. Man, these are a dope pair of shoes. White lacing. Nothing on the lace tips. Is there anything on the inside? Let's go ahead and pull out the shoe tree. Let me see. Is there anything else on the other one? No extra laces or anything. Nope, that looks the same. That looks exactly the same. But white laces, tongue, nothing on the back of the tongue there. Just your size information, your sizing information, size tag there. On the inside, you do have an inner booty for protection. That is an inner booty, black inner booty. All right, for protection. A little bit of padding there on the inside, but if you can see down there, it does have Nike Air on the insole, black insole, white Nike Air lettering. Okay, nothing different in there. I don't know if I mentioned, you do have an air unit going around. It looks like it's a full air unit. It goes all the way through because there's pieces over here and there and in the back. Man, finally got these Freshwater boys. White Nike swoosh on the front there. A little bit of tumbled leather on that swoosh. They made sure to do that swoosh very nice. Alright? Man. It took a long time to get these, man. It took a long time. Now I gotta get me one of those alternate Seattle Mariners jerseys to rock with this bad boy. But yes sir, glad that I was able to get these on the restock on Nike, the Nike app. Alright, I was a big Ken Griffey Jr. fan. That's the only reason I've mentioned that before. The only reason I've ever watched pro baseball is because of Ken Griffey Jr. So glad that I finally have this pair. This is now my third pair of Griffey shoes. All this model too. All this model. But nonetheless, I'm glad to have them, man. Yes, sir. But that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. I didn't forget. These most definitely get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, because these are just too sweet. Peace.